What is voice training? Voice training is a continuous exercise we do to position our vocal cord for proper singing. Let us look at some qualities of voice or singing. Number one, breathing. Breathing is the ability to hold or sustain a note without any deviation or crack. For example, let us sustain note A for 4 beats. A. You can repeat the exercise with other musical alphabets such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And number two, pitch matching. Pitch matching is the ability to connect the note with the right pitch. Example, do, mi. The voice is an important human apparatus for speaking and singing. It is important that you take good care of it. Firstly, a singer could maintain a good voice and improve his musical abilities by being part of a good choir or singing group and being a regular, consistent singer. With such choir or group, even if he is not privileged to be a lead vocalist. A good singer also necessarily has to engage in daily voice drills and rehearsal routine. The drill and rehearsal sessions should be thoughtfully, meticulously, and painstakingly carried out under the supervision of an expert. People are very quick to ask, what do I do? Eat or take to improve my voice? Or what do I avoid to maintain a good voice? The problem, as they say, is one man's meat is another man's poison. That is to say, what appears to affect the voice of an individual might not affect another individual. Therefore, you are your best custodian. Whatever food, action, or environment that appears to affect your voice, you endeavor to avoid. For some, the exposure of their chest to inclement weather destabilizes everything in them, including their vocal organs. For others, the eating of such nuts as peanuts or groundnut is it. For others, still it may be the eating of fried foods or excessive oily foods such as puff puff. One main cause of loss of voice is the common cold. The symptoms may vary from headache, blockage of nostrils, incessant sneezing, uncomfortable sensation in the throat or some degree of cough, etc. For many, this causes loss of voice and thereby prevents a good performance. As far as it is possible, the singer should avoid those things that bring about cold, e.g., keeping a distance from those having cold. Inadequate rest or sleep for some may be responsible for loss of voice. Much has been written about the wide medicinal use of honey and bitter kola. Some say they are also good for the improvement of the voice. Bitter kola for some may be good for clearing the throat of foreign bodies. Some experts recommend the drinking of pasteurized milk and properly beaten raw egg. The taking of warm drink also help to keep the voice. The author has in the years past encouraged choirs to take warm tea or beverage in the course of a major singing performance, and this has always helped. The summary of the above is for the singer to be disciplined about what it takes, does what he avoids. The ear is the important organ of hearing which is associated with singing. Without a good hearing, it is not possible to sing correctly. A musical person is one who is able to receive musical signals, perceive the signal by coordinating, analyzing, and reproducing what is received. An unmusical person, on the other hand, may receive musical signal but not be able to reproduce same partly because of his inability to coordinate and analyze what was received before reproducing. There are varying degrees of musicality, from the very musical person to the unmusical person. Musicality is hereditary. The good news, however, is that it is possible to develop and improve the musicality of certain degree of the unmusical person by concerted and sustained training. An individual with a good musical ear is able to identify pitch, how high or how low a sound is, and rhythm, movement of sound in time correctly. The following are some tips which are related to musicality. Improve your ability to match pitch, whatever the timbre producing the pitch to be matched. Ability to differentiate notes of almost the same pitch and reproduce short melodic line. Improve your ability to reproduce a given rhythm. Quicken your reaction to pitches and rhythms. For the every musical person to identify or name any note, add or sing any note on demand without the need for a pitch reference.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you are new here, consider to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos. See you in next class.
Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.